Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix Roblox error code 280. So this occurs if your Roblox app is not updated to the latest version and you are having trouble updating it. So this video is for you. So let's try and join a random game here. So as you can see, it will occur on mine. So all you have to do to be able to fix this guys is to uninstall the Roblox app here, and you just have to go ahead and download Roblox on the latest version of the Roblox on the Microsoft Store. Okay, so let's just search for Roblox, and all you have to do here guys is just go ahead and download this. So we need to uninstall first the Roblox. Then let's go ahead and play it. Okay guys, so once you're in, let's try this one. And let's see if that worked. And as you can see guys, it greatly worked for us. So there guys, that is how you can basically do this tutorial. Thank you for watching and goodbye.